Quit traffic every 10 minutes. I'm going to give you nothing less. Got it.
Baby, drink coffee? Drinking coffee? Eat your bagel and drink your coffee.
He was drinking them.
It's like being president.
Drinking in my cup. Eat your bagel too.
Well, I get those little shirt.
Oh, no, your big shirt, your little initials.
Well, there's somebody's initials. I'm not sure they're mine. I think they're Rich's. I do make sure. You know
Why
what?
don't you just box coffee?
I don't know.
Just a little bit too much. Crunch. Yeah, I think he does too. It's not, it's not one of those kind of man crushes. I don't think. Just like Rudy, not that way.
Where you really admire a guy, but you're still Rudy-like in your admiration. But it's a man crush.
Well, I prefer Rudy to win, but I think Rich played the game
You
very
kept it a
well.
secret all this week, and then all this morning,
No, Rich has had a secret he's kept for quite some time.
I don't want bagel in my coffee.
Jim, I think it's a man. You say it's a man crush because you're trying to, validate his masculinity, but
I spent a lot of time with him.
in reality, I think it's he looked a little bit soppy this morning when he won that. He was kind of
Ow, baby.
just turning into that.
You're brushing your teeth naked yesterday. You have that in common.
Well, that's making that's how you like to brush your teeth, boy. You just keep shaking. You just keep on shaking for about 5 minutes after you leave. It's hard to put the deodorant on then. Where is that thing, Barbie?
I think Rich could use some firming and some toning on
Well,
his body.
yeah, to me, Rich, I like Gilligan's Island. Okay, he's no professor, that's for sure, right? The professor, look at Gilligan's Island compared to this Survivor show. There's no money in
Like a lovey.
Yeah, he was kind of a lovey type, right? Or Thurston Howell, I promise you this, I promise you. Oh, I'm so psychologically bound to everyone to see it this way. It's a game! It's a game, and they got you, Jim. They got you watching it last night.
Hey, Dr. Bagel in your coffee?
And we had to, another time, I don't have to get up. That was
You're gonna have fun drinking your coffee.
Oh, God, look at him.
Something would happen accidentally, and we just add to the show.
As wild as Chris Ledoux is on stage, off stage there's an honesty, a true cowboy spirit that makes him someone his fans can believe in.
Did you like that ice cream, baby?
He's just down to earth,
Oh, she's slapping it all over.
Baby eating ice cream?
Strictly cowboy.
I mean, his word is everything. He's a devout family man. He's sincere. He's friendly. He's
Baby eat ice cream?
Kind of shy and an introvert and everything.
Yeah.
Somewhere inside him there's a little bit of a show off.
I just think it's the code of the